The climate crisis dominates the headlines in the media today.
We are constantly being fed the narrative that we are failing in the fight against climate change and that the UN's Sustainable Development Goals are unlikely to be achieved by 2030.
We are Nick and Talia.
And in collaboration with Startup Lounge Africa, we are embarking on a mission to tell the positive stories of sustainable innovation across the world.
By meeting some of the most innovative entrepreneurs in the sustainability space,
who are implementing solutions that their countries, regions, and our planet require to thrive.
And most importantly, we want to show that if we get behind and scale up these innovations, we can, in fact, achieve the UN's SDGs.
This is our sustainable world.
In this episode, we explore the topic of money in Africa. Africa is the continent of cash, but in recent years there has been a revolution in digital payments thanks to an army of African fintechs who have exploded onto the scene. This has led to improved financial inclusion and economic growth. So could this be the key to unlocking Africa's potential? We've come to Nairobi to meet one of Kenya's rising fintechs who are paving the way for digital payments across the continent through their digital wallet system.
Our mission is to just make sure that we drive financial inclusion in Africa, and our vision is to, of course, be the leading provider of digital wallets in the continent.
The African market, a flurry of excitement and opportunity. It is where people come to buy food to feed their families and, of course, to make money. In this environment, cash is king. Across Africa, cash is still the most common form of payment. In fact, it is estimated only 40% of adults have a bank account on the continent, compared to 99% in the UK and parts of Europe. These people are known as the unbanked. Poverty, low levels of education, and income instability limit people's ability to take part in the formal financial system, and many people lack the knowledge of basic financial concepts and how to use financial tools. For example, a study in Kenya found that 38% of Kenyans do not possess any financial literacy. But Africa does have one trick up its sleeve when it comes to making payments: the mobile phone. It has been revolutionary for Africans, enabling them to make payments without having a bank account, using their digital wallets. But how does this work?
Think of the wallet you have in your pocket, right? The one that you store money in, you put money in and out when you're making payments. But now in the digital realm of things is that it's a digital way to store money.
Everyone has interacted with the digital wallet at some point. They probably still not have that idea of it being a wallet. Our platform like M-Pesa, that's a digital wallet. You have any kind of points that you get when you go to a supermarket to redeem anything in which you're not handling paper money.
So wallets are being built everywhere in the African ecosystem to sort different problems, from nutrition, like you said, food education, to transport, to healthcare. And these are spaces that typical banks don't play in. And people are coming up with all these fintech solutions and services to address these markets that are unbanked.
Introducing Terra, a fintech based in the heart of Nairobi, who are helping to build the infrastructure to enable digital payments across the continent.
It's a fintech, so based in Nairobi, Kenya. This is where our headquarters are. We offer what you primarily call wallet as a service for startups and businesses across Africa.
Users sign up on the platform, or rather businesses, and once they do so, they're able to assign wallets to people. They're able to sign up customers, and we have plenty of features such as identity checks, credit score checks, being able to communicate with SMS and email to customers. We don't need to worry about the tech involved, etc. That's our job.
We really want the platform to impact a lot of the users that use it, and we've seen that very early on at Terra.
So I'm Francis Otieno Amonde, run an organization called Cup of Uji. It's a registered non-profit that focuses on school feeding. It just seeks to fight hunger for school-going children in primary schools. The watch is recent Cup of Uji, but the technology behind it all is developed by Terra Softworks. What it does is that you're able to track, one, you're able to know which kids paid, which kids were served on which day. And that is something that is very important, so that at least you're able to know how many, in terms of even doing your impact report, then you're able to know how many kids are you able to feed. And it makes that work easier. Then it also simplifies the payment. And kids can be registered on the platform as well, their parents, the kids. So a parent can be able to also register the number of kids they have within a school, then they have a way of registering all of them that platform. And that just makes our work much more easier. So it at least gives the teachers the opportunity to teach and not concentrate on collecting cash, registering students, and telling about this one so paid, this one did pay. So it's easier because they just tap it and then they're able to, get a meal in school. Yes.
Terra's solution is not only empowering non-profits, it also has great benefit for for-profit companies as well, like MedNow. MedNow offers a credit-led spend management platform tailored for African medical providers. This platform automates business expenditures, integrates a revolving credit facility, and provides digital wallets, saving both time and money for medical providers.
Our partnership with Terra is actually quite critical. They provide the technology called infrastructure that enables us to manage our output of the capital. So in essence, our clinics, our pharmacies, and our hospitals, alongside the patients who we onboard using our MedNow club, which is basically a loyalty program for patients who use the facility at different partners that we have. And Terra really is a seamless solution that really enables us to reach and scale to as many front-facing hospital service providers as possible.
We got to start working with them pretty early in our product development cycles, and that enabled us to go to market easier and faster, because as you know, building a tech product is expensive and time-consuming. So Terra enabled us to validate the market opportunity in a short period of time with minimal costs.
Kenya is known for its strong entrepreneurial ecosystem and fintech landscape, and it takes a lot to build that. We've come to visit Herbert from Anza Africa to find out how they have been able to support Terra through their journey and how Terra are able to help them with their future ambitions as well.
I think for us, we have this ambition around 10,000 entrepreneurs in the next 3 years. Part of that ambition is going to be powered by Terra. So not only are we working to guide Terra and venture building, but he's going to be a big part of our venture building effort anyway. A big part of the growth will be working with these 10,000 entrepreneurs and finding out what the technology component to what they're doing is and how we work with these entrepreneurs together with Terra. So I see an opportunity to work both ways, where we build them and then they help build us via our entrepreneurs.
The future is bright for finance in Africa, and Terra are at the heart of building the infrastructure to spread financial inclusion across the continent.
We believe that we are going into the future together, solving different problems, but in a mutual way.
We're going to have more schools on our system, only that this technology is going to come in handy in terms of making sure that we work efficiently and you're able to have payments going through one platform. Yeah.
Our goal is to have our platform be Pan-African. I see a more healthy and prosperous Africa because of the work that we're doing.
Because of the nature of the product, we're seeing that we can impact a lot more people across the continent.